is a complex first flight 3C65 cluster, so if everyone give me a heads up on this, please. Keep an eye out. It is Chris Abbey's Trident 18. It's a Rocketarium kit, white in color, 1 3/4 inches diameter, 32 inches long, at 7.9 ounces. It's flying on 3 C65s with parachute recovery. Everybody, please keep an eye out on low power 16, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Parachute at the top, everything's together. I'm going to go ahead and close the range, and again, I'll communicate with what they're doing down the way cell and see what's up next.
I got the phone outside. I was sitting outside, but still on the car. Hello. All right.